is the Paper Airplane Contest Part 2. Okay? So, instead of this being nighttime, it's going to be daytime. Okay? Now, here it goes. Wow. Didn't go far at all. Okay, next one.
Didn't go where?
Far at all.
Oh.
Okay, now this one goes pretty far. So far, that one's in the lead. Okay? Now, you've probably seen this one. I've already done this one before. It's like pretty good. It's like way far in the lead. Okay? Next is this one. It's Stealth Fighter. It went pretty far. Next, this one's got two stabilizers. One right here and one right there. Okay, here it goes. Whoa, okay. That one didn't make it too far. Now we got this one. You've already seen this one. This was the grand finale in part 1. Didn't do so good. See? Didn't do so good that time, did it? Okay. Next. I have no clue what this one does. But, I hope it does good. Wow, it turned flips instead. Okay, now this one. I told you this one, the guy said, now it's supposed to be the world record gliding airplane. Okay, here it goes. Wow. Oh, that one was awesome. Okay. I built this one by myself. I mean, I didn't get it off of YouTube or anything. Now, here it goes. Yeah, not that good. Okay. Now, this one I built has one stabilizer right here. You have to push it up right there. Okay. There it goes. Oh, that one didn't go too far. Okay. Whoa. Okay. What the? Here's another one right here. Here's another one right here. Now here it goes. Whoa. It's in the lead. I don't know. This one, I cut 2 spots in it. Right here. 2 little things right here. And here it goes. Didn't go too far either. Here's this one. This one does okay. Whoa! Whoa! 1, 2, 3, go! Whoa! No! No! Yeah, that one went way far back. Let's try it this way. Well, that one's not that good. Okay. Now this one. Whoa! Awesome! No, I'm just kidding. We have 18 planes exactly. Here's another one. Oh, we just hit the thing over there. The wall. Now, actually, let's give that one another try. Because that one is wall. Let's try it over here. Oh, no, no, no.
I got that guy's phone.